Atom against BTC. So for Atom against BTC, we've hit the skinny pink line. This is not good news because the moment you hit the skinny pink line, it's a warning, right? Look at previously for Atom against BTC, we hit the skinny pink line first before we slice through it. So again, we hit it. I think there should be a bounce of sorts. My fear is that we could be slicing through the skinny pink line eventually, right? So again, we are in a bearish trend. We've already touched the skinny pink line, which is like a warning of sorts. So again, be very, very careful about going to a trade too soon for Atom. Sure, I mean, I could be wrong and things could just start rising from here without forming any proper, chart pattern. Of course, it could happen, but as a trader, you want to have an edge over others. And so to have an edge, you must be sure of what you're doing. So at this point of time, we're just not sure about Atom, so be careful. Atom against USDT. Where's Atom? I don't know what's Atom. Atom against USDT. So for Atom against USDT, yeah, we've hit the skinny pink line. It's acting as some sort of a support. Yes, we are bouncing off of it, but the question is, how much higher are we going to bounce? Are we going to see new all-time highs for Atom against USDT? Probably, I think this could be a... yeah. I don't know. I feel like this could already be 5 waves in, right? Sure, there could be a strong rally and we could see a higher high, right? Something like a double bearish divergence. We might get that. But again, this is not what I would consider as a high quality tradable chart pattern. So I would preach caution for Atom against USDT. I still wouldn't be recommending a trade. Sure, it might look like things are bouncing up right now, but previously, if you look over here, it still is like some sort of a bounce, right? It looked like as if things are going to bounce back higher. It looked like as if we are going to form some sort of a potential inverse head and shoulders, right? Way back, when was this? 3rd of December, way back on the 3rd of December, it does look like that, right? But eventually, we didn't get that. So what happened? Eventually, we collapsed even lower, right? Imagine if you got in over here, you would have been down 37%. If you had $1,000 or $10,000, right now your $10,000 would only be worth 6,300, right? 3,007 just evaporated like that. So that's why it's very, very important to be very, very careful before going into any trade at all. Sure, you might argue that Atom has strong fundamentals, but technical wise, there is just no clear tradable chart pattern, right? And we are kind of in a downtrend. So I really do think that there will be a bounce, but I don't know if this is the bounce for Atom. So be very, very careful.